हो शेम हावपाचे आनी सगळो वास आमगे गोंयकारांक हावपाचो मागीर पोतून हे जगपाचें पोतून केस घालपाच्यो पोतून RTI
Go a day today, your go-to for news across.
Complaint regarding illegal construction property within Section number 80 Sarkar Driver of Water Desh. Abhi illegal construction being carried out property within Section number 80 Sarkar Driver of Water Desh. अपने लोग स्टार्ट The said construction appear to the ongoing without transfer regarding the permissions, approval and legality of the work being undertaken. The matter require immediate verifications of the by the Panchayat to ensure that all applicable rules, zoning regulations and legal requirements are being complied with. In view of the above, I request to Panchayat conduct immediate satisfaction for the said property. Maybe तुझी कंप्लेंट केली
structure as per plan आम्हाला माफी
structure as per plan actually that is taken this approval from this.
You got plan secretary? You have the plan?
We had only got this house only. No, but it's all plan, not in the plan. You are questioning him. You show no what you bought. You show your plan. No plan. Conversion is not conversion. That is legal question. That is issue documentation. What about this? No, they are complaint. Then you stop right now. You stop there. Whatever. No. First to take permission. Now we will do Panchanama. After Panchanama, we will proposal. I submitted the plan. No, we want PCP approved plan. What is the PCP? PCP approved. This is a PCP approved. Yes, sir. सच्चे चलतं तू मला रिप्लाय कर आता किती आता पंचनामा करणार सध्या काम बंद कर अप्रूव्हल लाड आणि काम मध्ये ना झालं पद ॲक्शन घे आता पंचनामा करतात where is the complaint saying that we are not taking any authority. If you are taking the permission from concerned authority, show me that. Otherwise, right now stop this thing. Any permission? Agreed person also now. Only we want first. We are just illegal activities.
दोघर तो मागे तो तेगे रिप्लाय चे मैं आन्सर
हम तेरे शोको सट्टा म्हणजे तू रिप्लाय कर.
जो रिप्लाय ते क्या मतलब तू आन्सर दिया
You. And right now stop this होगा. ये करना कर. No problem. Secretary, sorry, might we can next step it because you have already. No, as per the Panchayat Raj Act, त्यामध्ये काढणं काम फेमस आहे तिकडे. No, sir. मी मला दुसरी पंचायत तू दुसरं घे पंचायत घे आपण नेक्स्ट स्टेप किती देवा तू वास मॅडम तू किती मोरे हे ना ते स्टॉप करून You have already provided them occupancy certificate. Occupancy certificate can provide them to the construction solar, so you gonna remove that occupancy or what? आता complaint जे as per TCP approved होणार सर. This is आणि एका ना एका जर या आता पंचनामा करताना मीटिंग करताना त्याला शोकस टाकला काढ but this is Omore, we are not against the builder or against somebody who did. Our request is to the Panchayat. When this was given on the first,
Francisco.
First, and you know I have already file check we have already given them occupancy certificate. तुम तेरे timely fashion I know all this would have got avoided.
Let them
No, not this one, sir. I am talking about the additional work. You could have come in time and saved it. No, this is my request.
Can I talk, sir? Can I talk, Francisco? Which we give the occupancy. I am a ward member over there. So I occupancy dilo thi eka occupancy dilya.
Yeah.
And based on that, we have issue according to the किती आहे त्याप्रमाणे आम्ही त्याचा लायसन्स दिला. See whatever the extra no, that's what secretary is taking the measurement.
This is what I am saying.
This
could have been stopped if you were to come in timely fashion. 2 महिन्यात ते महिन्यात काम केलं ना This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying.
That you have to ask with the secretary.
अरे ते सांगितलं नाही secretary को 1.5 month is gone. June 1st. आज किती? What is the file? Avoid करून आता हमारे.
तू secretary को
secretary.
secretary को आहे तो युनोपाच्या secretary तू घे किती हा द्या तो
सांगितलं त्या काय रिक्वेस्ट केला आहे बिकॉज एशकोन डिले कोणा करा ठीक आहे तसे झाला पात्राडे यू केम आफ्टर 2 months
तेच सांगतो माझं त्यांना स्टार्ट आफ्टर बॉडी मीटिंग रोल माझं
होय रे बॉडी मीटिंग यू से यू टेक 3 सो मे बी रफली अबाउट 10 days एक जात असतली
ना आता लेटेस्ट स्टार्ट लागतं
आणि तुम्ही किती केला
पहिली एक देतात 2 देतात
ओके 15 days
चल या आता पंचनामा घ्या मी पंचनामा म्हणलं
काम स्टार्ट करा फोन करा Soil? Who you? Where you filed a complaint?
सेक्रेटरी का
See,
Huh?
see right here. I've asked for a commercial meter. It got stolen.
When it got stolen? Who you panchayat you complaint?
Panchayat, I've got the thing right here for new commercial connection.
No, commercial meter stolen complaint you give it to whom?
I gave it to the water department. I took a receipt from him. We went to Madgaon. They said they will look into it. They're supposed to come in a day or so. It got stolen.
When did you complain?
I just paid the bill.
When did you complain?
I just
Complaint
complained.
letter.
No, I don't have a date for it. I went to the water
Did
department.
you write an verbally you gave complaint?
Verbally, he said, you have given me the water receipt because we paid. So he said, okay, show me the water receipt. I showed him the water receipt. He said, when it was a few days ago, the meter is not there. He said, okay, we'll come and we'll check it.
So this was when?
A few days back.
Few days means like 15 days?
No, 3-4 days back.
3-4 days.
I was out of town.
3-4
I came
days
back on
Sunday
9th.
Sunday.
No, I came back on 9th. I was out of town. And that's when I find out the meter was stolen. And I went there.
They
And I
gave you
said,
any acknowledgement?
No, they didn't. This guy next to me said, you go to Madgaon. So I took the owner's receipt. I said, he said, I just paid the bill. If the meter is not there, how come the bill came? I said, well, so I took it.
See, let me tell you, in the history, since I'm born in Goa, I have never heard somebody stole a water meter.
Sir,
I'm just telling you, I'm telling you.
if they took
I'm
it,
not blaming you, I'm just telling you my
so
experience.
I'm not sure what happened. What I found out,
If any one comes and tells us, that water meter.
I agree with you, but what I was told, the meter is not there, sir.
This is what I told you also.
You cannot
know
use,
the
no?
loopholes very well, in and out. So this is what is happening,
See, I went to the water department and they said, let me find out if the meter was
Secretary,
taken or stolen.
secretary.
सेकंड पॉइंट है
ये रिकॉर्ड करा ये कितरे इंगा वाटर मीटर नहीं आ रहे हाँ ये कितरे सेक्रेटरी व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन हाँ तुम हकत गोइंग कराम को कब आगत ले हाँ ये वाटर मीटर नहीं आ रहे जो
उधर चालू आलं फोन केला होता चालू आलं
So today we are in Gunyavado and we had one inspection here about illegal extension of one construction that was there, and we found a lot of illegalities that the panchayat themselves should have found out on their own. So this clearly shows what is happening in our village and how our panchayat also is nicely quiet and enjoying what is happening.
सगळ्यांक तुका देव दिसतो आयज आमी आय फातराडे गुन्यांवाडो तुमकां फाटल्यान दिश्टी पडा हें घर and he got occupancy in 2025 as a residential house and तूं चोयत जाल्यार he has leased the place to outsider and that outsider has gone full construction, additional construction with no permissions. He is so confident that he will get away with this. As Ami, along with our Varka villagers, we had an inspection along with the panchayat. Guess what we found? He has even removed the water meter. Water meter can't me and the use kotai for the construction. He is so confident that he will do whatever he wants. This is my message to the Goans. So यहाँ किस जाते आमका आमी तेंचेर तेंगेले स्पॉन्सर घेताय तेंगे डान्स करताय तेंगे रेस्टॉरंट माहे जेवण हाडटाय एंड दिस इज हाव दे रिप अस ऑफ उदो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आनी आ मोड बिल हारी कोताय वेर इज द पंचायत आज पंचायत येला हिंगा सरपंचान येला सेक्रेटरीच येला वी वांट टू सी व्हाट एक्शन दे टेक ऑन दिस इलिगॅलिटीज आनी फाटल्या शेतां आहाय एका हेल्थान ऑक्युपन्सी तेन्ना they have given them NOC of a soak pit which is for 20 people and this whole place looks like 200 people sitting. फाल्यां कित कोतालो तो शेतां सोडलो सगलें पोश हेम हावपाचे आनी सगलो वास आमगे गोंयकारांक हावपाचो मागीर पोतून हेम आम जगपाचें पोतून केस घालपाच्यो पोतून RTI घालपाच्यो आनी एन्जॉयमेंट हेमगेलो. This is what is going on.
And we've already seen in our Varka village how many places we are having sewage issues where sewage is clearly being dumped in our fields and in our nallas. At least now the panchayat needs to take cognizance of all these things. It's become so famous that Varka is famous for sewage in its nallas and fields.
And this is an outsider. So kit kotalo house tax it kotalo he will do commercial activity. Na house tax it kom botalo this is a residential house. House tax muto tax botalo. आणि दुसरे आमगे गोंयकार बिझनेस करताय तेमी कमर्शियल टॅक्स भरपाची उदक केसो यूज करतो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी केसो यूज करतलो डोमेस्टीक. दिस इज द लूप होल दॅट आउटसायडर्स आर टेकिंग अस फॉर ग्रांटेड. सो इट्स माय हंबल रिक्वेस्ट टू एवरी गोवन तुम तोरी कितें इलिगॅलिटी तुमगे गांवांत दिसती पडटा रेज अ वॉयस अगेन्स्ट द पंचायत. आय हॅव टोल्ड बिफोर ऑल्सो आज आम सरकारा नांवान रोटाय पंचायत are the main people who are destroyers, destroy our Goa. तुम चल आसतलें काबोले से किस जाते the boys who are raising boys like Sohail, Shalton, they have given threats. तेंचे ते FIR घाताय तेंगे आवाज ते बंद करो सोदताय. Come out, support these boys. Thank you very much.